Hey everybody, it's Chris from C. Dorner Fitness and welcome to my channel. We have so much fun here doing live and pre-recorded daily workouts. Welcome to my channel. If you haven't been here before, I am so grateful that you stopped by to check it out. And if you've been with me for a long time, I appreciate you. So I want to give you just a few little tips about how to use my workouts and my channel in the best way possible. Every week, I post a schedule of workouts that you can do, and they are posted on my website, YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. But if you sign up for my email list at cdornerfitness.com, you will get this directly to your inbox before it is posted. So I'll show you how to do that just in a minute. People ask me all the time, do you have a workout program that I can follow? And yes. Every week when I post my schedule, that is your workout program. My 9 a.m. workouts are set up like a program so that you are doing strength training 3 days a week and cardio 2 to 3 days a week. Now you're gonna see that I also offer step classes at noon on Mondays and Wednesdays, and those are great options if you don't like whatever cardio it is that we are doing on Tuesdays and Thursdays. So suppose you don't like Tabata or cardio kickboxing, but you're like a real step lover, then you can put those in on your Tuesdays and Thursdays. Remember guys, it's not all about the cardio. You want to add those weights in too. So let's get into some things that'll help you to navigate my channel, figure out what to do on my website to make your workout plan the best for you. All right, so we are going to start with my website, cdornerfitness.com. If you haven't been here yet, what are you doing? This is where you can find out everything you need to know about the upcoming schedule for the week. It tells you the descriptions of each workout, what you need for each workout, whether it's live or pre-recorded, and so much more. If you keep scrolling down, you can also find where to contact me and where to sign up for the email that gets the schedule directly to your inbox before I post it to the socials. Okay, so let's head over to my YouTube channel. This is the home screen of my channel. Right here, you can see there are upcoming live streams, the past live streams, and you can even find playlists and more on this homepage. But if you go to the videos tab, it is a little easier to find workouts as they are listed from newest to oldest. So if you're looking for the one from this morning, it'll be right at the top. The next tab over are playlists. And this is great because if you're looking for something specific, you'll be able to find it in organized playlists here. We have everything from 30-minute workouts, great for beginners, great for traveling with no equipment, step by BPM, by level, whatever you need, you can find it here. Next up is the community tab. Now, this is where I post every Sunday at 9 a.m. Eastern time, the new class schedule, okay? But also on this tab is where there are things like discounts on clothing and also announcements if there were any issues with workouts. Now, last page here is the store. This is where you can get some pretty cool C. Dorner Fitness merch. I hope this video helped you to understand how to get through my channel, how to find the workouts that you're looking for, and also how to navigate my website. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below the video, and I'll be happy to answer them because you might not be the only one with a question. Everyone, enjoy your workouts, have fun with them, do your best, and thank you for following me through the best fitness community there is. Mwah.